tell me what you're doing.
Today I'm opening up the Treasure X box. Sorry, but we already did it.
And what is Treasure X?
Treasure X is a thing where you can get gold. But we found out that
Hold still.
this coin matches up with this gold bar. So we may get this gold bar if the treasure box is in there.
And you have tools.
Yep, we have a tool thing. So I'm gonna use the shovel. It looks easier. Yeah, I should have wetted it, but it's fine. I like the rake.
Do you want to pause and get some water?
Yeah, let's go get some water. Like this.
Okay, we're back and we have water that's supposed to help soften.
Don't pour all of it, just a little
Just
bit.
a little
That's
bit.
enough. That's enough. All right, give it a second. Let it soak in.
Oh, I see a part already.
What?
I see something.
Very exciting.
We need some water to rinse the parts off, though. It said that helps. I found that on Hobby Kids. Daddy.
Dad to the rescue. Ooh, I see stuff.
I know I see something. Guys, I see something. Do you see anything, guys?
Use the pick. Use that pick part right there.
Okay. Get it. You. You. Come on.
Cool.
Yeah.
Bring out your excavating tools.
Oh.
Ooh, thank goodness my daddy has my excavating tool. Thank you, Daddy.
Just put the screwdriver up there. No. Put the screwdriver up there. And you hit,
I hit it with a hammer.
Here, swap hands. Swap hands. Or however it's comfortable for you.
Oh, I see a crack.
So you can get it open.
Use the shovel.
What is it? What is it?
I think I got the guy I wanted.
Holy crap.
What is that?
Oh, it's a part. Let's go water it. Let's put some water on it. It's wrapped up, so it's probably fine. The part's wrapped up good. It's good. Can you please open this?
I can try with one hand.
Wait, I think
Nose.
I got it.
Ah, careful fingers. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
Using an excavator.
Daddy, can you open some plastic for
How's
us?
it coming?
Good.
I got the plastic open
We
now.
have something that we cannot open.
Okay. Okay. Where's the screwdriver?
Right. Right there.
Let's try some more.
All right.
Let's see if there's any more. You never know what you can find. This treasure chest is really
It
small.
looks like a body.
It probably is. I wonder what guy I'm gonna get. Did I get it?
What is that?
That may be the,
Sparkly thing.
that may be the treasure chest.
Dig it out with your excavating tool.
Let's do it with my.
It sparkles.
I think that's the chest. It may be the chest. Or the body or something.
Or it could just be something wrapped in plastic.
Yeah, baby. Whoa, what is this?
What is it?
That's an arm. That's cool.
I put it on the table with the body.
That's the body. Let's put it together already. Wait,
Guess what?
yeah?
Daddy almost got hurt.
Yeah, I almost said Grandma Steffi with Duke's ball. Like, very close.
Daddy almost got hurt by it. How did he almost get hurt?
Grandma Steffi almost kicked my butt.
Why though? I think
Because he
I
almost
hit
hit
her
me
with
with
the
Duke's ball.
Here, hold it. There you go.
There you go.
I think this is the treasure chest.
You wanna open it?
This is the treasure chest!
All
Keep digging,
right.
I'll get this open.
Oh my gosh,
Keep digging. There's more stuff.
that is the treasure chest. That is so cool. We finally We actually found the treasure chest. It's Fizz, okay? It's Fizz.
Is that who you wanted?
I think so. This is probably... See, the gold bar may be in the chest. Or, we just make it something else.
It may be another treasure.
Maybe a real treasure. Or maybe not. Found a chest in there. So, maybe a real treasure. That was so cool. We found the chest.
What is that?
Arm.
I got it.
So we have 2 arms. That's a good start.
I think this is the guy I wanted.
Yeah? And who
Yeah,
is that?
He's a treasure hunter. I don't know.
It's okay. Just keep digging. You want some water?
I need I need a hammer. In my thing. Here is my...
Dad's using it right now.
Here, baby.
Thank you.
Alright, treasure chest is ready to be opened.
Ooh.
It's right behind you. Right behind you.
It's right here.
On the table.
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Wait.
Wait, they're both there. It's
What is
Fizz.
that?
Fizz. I see it now. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Cool.
Is there something in the fizz?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Um,
Let's look at
You
it.
gotta pour water into it. See?
Let's look at it.
You gotta pour water into it.
Do you want to pour water into it?
Whenever we're done, yeah. But not yet.
Oh. So it says very clearly to pour water
Into that Fizz.
into the fizz.
I don't even know what
Like
you
from
call
a
it.
tap.
Hey, but welcome back. Hey guys, if you haven't seen my videos, subscribe to Colton's. I don't even know what my name is. I don't even know what my name is. Just subscribe, guys. Hope you have a good time watching this video. What is this?
What is it?
Some points in a row.
Moving too fast for the camera, babe.
Sorry. Foot.
All right. I think I see another foot.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, it's good. We found the foot, Daddy.
Yeah?
Wrong way.
Ooh.
This is a big mess. But we're doing it for fun.
Clean this up before mommy kicks my butt.
So, go ahead. Make sure you don't find it.
Oh, I found something in this piece.
What is
What
that?
is that?
Maybe the head. That's his weapon. That's his hook. Put that right there. That's his hook.
That is super strong.
Teddy is super strong.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
I am.
We don't want this video to end in a visit to the hospital.
But the best video is in visits at the hospital.
What?
No.
What? Wait, gotta get that out.
What is it?
It's a piece of X thing. It's a piece of my treasure X thing. I can get it. Okay, that's gonna be stuck there forever. I like to do a foot again. Another foot. Another foot.
Awesome.
I think that's the head. Yep. This is the head. Let's see if there's anything in this. Let me just check. I wonder if there's anything in this. Let me check.
You want Daddy to be super strong and check it for you?
No, I got it. Daddy, I love you.
What are you doing?
Let's try this one. No, nothing in there.
All right, so move the head. Oops.
The head. I was just gonna rinse that off. Let's rinse that off. Are you ready? Everything's off. Put it together. Okay, it's wet. Let's see something. A napkin. Somebody give me a napkin.
Go inside and grab it real quick, baby.
I'll pause. We decided not to get the napkin.
Somebody may have wanted. I didn't know. Let's see. I want to see the map. Who is this guy? I can't read that well.
Hey, not on the table. Not on the table.
What does that have to do with what?
Any gold?
He hasn't poured it in the fizz yet.
For sure, right, give him 50. Ooh, this is his body. We may need a new. Now this is his head. Okay, let's put them together.
Okay. Daddy, we might need your strength.
I got it.
All right, never mind. He's too strong for you.
What?
You're too strong for Daddy.
Well, this may be the wrong foot. Okay.
All right, we might need you, Daddy.
Nay. Wait, I got it.
Proven wrong again.
They're playing with my emotions, honey. They keep telling me they need me and then they don't need me.
I'm pushing it in.
Yep. Okay.
What?
You do.
What did you say?
He needs to get up there.
I'll get up there for him.
Come on, put your arm together.
I gotta rinse it off.
Okay.
Let's put this together. Man, it's hard to get in.
Do you need Daddy? Because every time we say that, then you get it in.
No,
Okay.
I got this one.
He's creepy.
I know.
We might need you on this one, Dad.
No, I got it. I think so. Yeah, we need you.
We need you.
Oh, on this table?
This
No,
is
no, no, no.
Just the assembly of the man.
Yeah, I did. We did the break off on the bench here, and I cleaned it off. You see? You got it?
we need to. Where's this hook?
Right
It
here.
was, here it is.
Good.
That's where the gold's gonna be?
We think so.
Yep. That's the treasure chest. That's the plan.
That guy's pretty cool.
This is him on the map. That's him. Dark.
So, guys, we missed the reveal, but show them what you got.
The quartz dagger.
You got the quartz dagger.
And unfortunately, I didn't get real gold.
Are you Snapchatting it?
Daddy.
All right, so that's Treasure X. Do you recommend it?
Yes.
You want to sign off?
Sure.
Tell them bye.
Bye.